If you are looking for the best PCB design software, I have a great solution for you. Altium Design is one of the most trusted PCB design software in the world. With this software, you can easily create even the most complex PCB design. Altium 365 is the ultimate collaborative platform for secure electronic development. With this platform, you can discuss project in real time. If you want to advance information about the project, you can share it with the software engineer to receive additional details. Altium 365 offers benefits such as secure, seamless, streamlined, and enhanced collaboration. Want to be job ready in electronics design? Try Altium Student Lab. You get free access to Altium Designer and Altium 365, so you can collaborate with your mates and earn certificate. Just enter your university mail to get started for free. Learn real skills that lead to real job with Altium Student Lab. Check the link in the description below.